hand out. You want him? Careful. Careful. You want him? See, look. There he is. Say hi. You see him? You want to pet him? Oh, nice, Froggy. Oh! He jumped on your face. Where is he? He's on your shoulder. He's right there. Oh my gosh, he's right there. He's right there. Okay, I'll get him. You want him back on your shoulder? No? You don't want it? Here, let me put him on your shoulder. Callie want him? Callie, look. Oh, Callie's giving him kisses. Christopher Frog. Oh, there he is.
You catch him. You get him.
You get him. Get him. Get him. There he is, right there. No, he's going that way. Oh, now he's back over here. Where is he going? Where is he going? Oh, he's biting at his foot.
Woo.
Oh.
Woo.
Where'd he go?
He's on your head. He's on your head.
There he is. Hold on, let me get him. Don't move. Don't move. Ah, I got him.
Did your mom and dad do this to you
Ah.
as a kid?
Where is he? Pet him. Say nice, Froggy.
Oh, nice frog. Nice.
Yeah, that's a nice Froggy. Should we go set him free? Yeah?
Put him back on the grass.
Okay. Here, you take him. Okay, go put him on the grass. Go ahead. Go put him on the... Okay. Bye, Froggy. Bye.